Hello, my name is Rui. Do you like Japanese seishok? Let me introduce to Nakatoya Diner. It is the best things about Otoyo. There are many types of set meal in Nakatoya. For example, fried chicken set meal, omurice, or their daily special set meal. The daily special set meal menu changes every day. My recommendation is chicken南蛮 set meal. There are two reasons why I like it. First, if you eat the chicken with the older sauce, you will be happy. Second, if you pay an extra 200 yen, you can get both tartar sauce and older sauce. It is very delicious. Please try it. Try to find your favorite set meal menu. Thank you.